Okay, now in this video I want to focus on gestural sketches and with a real focus on sketching buildings. Now, at this stage of a drawing, I want to focus mainly on the basic outline shapes and the proportions of the image and the building that I wish to draw. And you'll notice in these quick sketches here, I've focused with a very faint line to basically focus on those details. Now at this stage in the drawing, I want to progress onto working with a more sketching approach, with a looser line holding the pencil, or the pen rather, in the middle and at the end, and just loosely focusing on the details, the main aspects of the buildings, the features and the other decorative elements that you can find on more ornate older styles of building, and just continuing the process of sketching lightly using or holding the pencil, the tripod method, working vertically on a canvas, and just seeing what type of effects and marks you can create with the pen as you're drawing. Now these drawings in particular can be developed in other ways, with watercolour, with ink, with background washes of colour, watercolour pencils. So they're not really an end in themselves, but they are good exercises for developing different qualities of line in your drawing. Now, if you're interested in developing your gestural drawing skills and working with different drawing and sketching techniques, have a look at this video that's coming up next, and I'm pointing to in the corner, and this will give you a sort of structured approach to drawing and sketching and developing these skills with your work in a progressive way. So I'm just going to continue the process of drawing and sketching, and just to see how well this image can progress. Thank you for watching, and remember to watch that other video in the corner, or rather look at the description below.